Good morning, campers. I hope this finds you doing well. Today is day number 3 of the top 5 myths that I come across as a website builder. Today we're going to be tackling the myth that a custom coded website is always better than a template website. First off, only a Sith deals in absolutes. Is it always better? Maybe, maybe not. Probably not. So, just going to throw that out there. For those of you who don't have a lot of context in the website development world, which is fine, we all live in our own little worlds. And the difference here, I like to describe it as a continuum or a scale. On one side of the scale, you have custom code, okay? And this is what you see in the movies where people are sitting down with hoodies and they're actually typing out lines of code that is making the website appear on the screen. There are pros and cons to that, which we'll discuss. On the other side of the scale is you have template builders like LegalZoom or any company that is tacking it on as a service. I'm usually wary of. Those are very easy to deploy, very easy to get up and running, but they don't accomplish a lot. They don't look all that great. They're not going to be as responsive on mobile devices. They're not going to look as good on your cell phone. And then, so that's on one side. You have very easy to deploy, but very uncustomizable. On the other side of the scale, you have very hard to deploy, but very customizable. With code, you can do anything. It's very customizable, but it's very hard and expensive to deploy because it's kind of like if you're a plumber. Imagine somebody saying, you're not a real plumber unless you make your pipes, right? If every single time you're going through and having to recreate the pipe that you're going to use in your specific application, that's going to be very expensive. It's going to take a lot of time. So what I typically recommend is there's solutions throughout the middle that allow you to get the best of both worlds, the best of both worlds, without sacrificing a lot to the cons of both worlds. So these would be builders such as like Wix or WordPress or Squarespace, things like that, where they have templates that you can go in and use and build a website fast. But Squarespace also allows you to do what's called inject custom code. So going back to the plumber analogy, if there is a specific pipe that you do need that is not provided to you, you can go in and create that custom code. My background is in web development and actually writing the code, and it allows me to go in and to create that custom piece and implement it and inject it into the website. But I'm not having to create every single basic piece every single time, right? So that was a lot of more technical side of things, but I thought I'd include it in this series because it's something that I do run across is people saying, you're not a real developer, you're not a real website person if you're not custom coding everything. Not really. So hope this helps, hope this sets you up to scale, and if there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Have a good one. Peace.